Hi, my name's Sean Andrew.
I'm Sydney.
So my name is Samuel Baraka.
My name is Nora.
My name is Zoe Bonnickson.
My name is Ibrahim Ahmedin Ali.
I am a rising 2L at Notre Dame Law School.
I'm a rising 3L and I go to Notre Dame Law School.
I am a rising senior at St. Olaf College in Minnesota.
I am a rising 2L at Notre Dame Law School.
I'm a third-year law student from Strathmore Law School in Nairobi, Kenya.
I'm a third-year law student. I come from Strathmore Law School in Nairobi, Kenya.
So for the past 2 years, students have been coming here from our law school. And each year they go, they usually come back and tell us of the stories and their experiences. As soon as I had that, I knew I just had to apply.
Essentially, I've been very interested in post-conviction work pretty much since I started law school. That's actually a large reason that I applied to Notre Dame to begin with. The Exoneration Justice Clinic was actually one of the very first facets of Notre Dame that I found out about. Even having a very rudimentary understanding of the law initially coming in, I knew that post-conviction work was something that I wanted to have something to do with. Because, personally, I feel that wrongful conviction, of course, is a really, really awful thing. So I would think that just to be a part of any kind of initiative to correct at least some of those is something that I was very, very interested in.
So we primarily work on intake, which is kind of filtering some applications through and just kind of reading and researching and making sure that everything gets double and triple checked for the cases.
Specifically, I work for the Program for the Defense of Mexican Nationals, so we receive case information from the consulate and we get to go through and we get to make a list of all the files that we've received as a part of the case. We do a document intake, and then me and the rest of the interns get together and we go through all of the records of the case files, everything that we have, and we do research to kind of understand what happened in the case, what might be necessary or what we might be missing in order to build the strongest defense possible for a client, and then we come together as interns and we create a memo that essentially acts as a recommendation of whether or not to take the case, and what we think the strengths are in the case and how we think we can help a client.
My most impactful experiences have been so many. The first one is the working environment. So everyone is so friendly, everyone is willing to answer our questions.
Really, it's been incredible. Just meeting everyone in the office. They're all really amazing and they've done great work. So seeing that has been really inspirational.
I guess I'd probably say meeting this woman named Iris. She's an exoneree, going to be very soon, who the EJC worked with and got her out after she was wrongfully convicted. And seeing her in person and seeing the hope she still has and the strive for life was really inspiring.
If you are a 1L or an upcoming 1L or an undergrad at any of the partner schools, apply. I promise you, it'll be really cool. I genuinely believe that I have one of the coolest jobs in the world.